It's now virtually confirmed that Samsung's upcoming flagship series, the Galaxy S25 lineup, will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This comes as a relief to those wary of Exynos processors due to concerns over performance discrepancies. Although leaks strongly hinted at this, there hadn't been any official confirmation until now. Samsung announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where it will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The company also shared the news on X, and Qualcomm's official Snapdragon account reposted it with the caption, "See you there." This all but confirms that Snapdragon processors will be at the heart of the Galaxy S25 lineup. While the exact Snapdragon model hasn't been confirmed yet, the likely choice is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, or possibly a custom for Galaxy variant, which could deliver even better performance. Now let's talk about the impressive Galaxy S25 Ultra performance gains that has been revealed by a leaker. Performance is a key factor for flagship smartphones, and if the latest leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver in spades. While most details about the phones have been leaked, concerns about overheating with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor remain a question mark until now. Early reports suggested overheating issues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, especially for devices using an overclocked version, which the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature. However, tipster Ahmed Quater claims that Samsung has addressed these concerns. According to him, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast performance improvements of 38% over the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including 34% faster graphics and a 43% better NPU, ensuring a smooth and powerful experience. Equally impressive is the phone's upgraded cooling system, which is said to provide a 42% higher cooling rate compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means potential buyers can rest assured that overheating won't be an issue. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Now let's talk about some previous leaks and news. The Samsung Galaxy S25 will feature 12 gigs of RAM and Snapdragon 8 Elite chips, marking significant news for buyers outside the United States. This development provides two major updates for Samsung fans globally. Both the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra have already been confirmed to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now, the latest Geekbench listing for the standard Galaxy S25 reinforces the expectation that Samsung will skip Exynos in its flagship lineup this year, even in Europe. Snapdragon 8 Elite. All Galaxy S25 models will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, with no market-dependent variations. Samsung's plan to use the Exynos 2500 was abandoned due to low production yield, resulting in potential profit losses but leaving buyers pleased. Additionally, the Snapdragon 8 Elite used in the Galaxy S25 series will be an overclocked version, offering a slight performance boost over the standard variant found in other Android flagships. Beyond the chipset, the standard Galaxy S25 is expected to come with 12 gigs of RAM as a baseline. This is an upgrade from the Galaxy S24, which starts with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The S25's base configuration of 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage represents a significant improvement. More RAM ensures smoother and faster performance throughout the day. With AI and Gen artificial intelligence tasks consuming more resources, 8 gigs may fall short for maintaining seamless functionality. Samsung's haptics, fingerprint, and touch technologies used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra reportedly remain unchanged in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The latest findings reveal key details about the core components of the upcoming S25 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra debuted an enhanced fingerprint sensor, 3D Sonic Gen 2 from Qualcomm, which is likely to be retained in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The haptics, vibration, motor is also unchanged from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Android Code Detective Assembled Debug also reveals the identity of ambient light sensor, TOF sensor, display port, and touch chip used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra haptics, fingerprint, touch, and more details revealed. Haptics: CS40L26. Fingerprint: QXS4008 3D Sonic Gen 2. Ambient light sensor: SKT6D2X. TOF sensor: VL53L8. Display port: NB7VPQ904M 1.4. Touch chip: Synaptics_S3916_SPI. The official images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the Plus and base models, are finally here. Samsung has confirmed that its next Unpacked event is scheduled for January 22. Following the announcement, the German publication WinFuture leaked what appear to be official images of the Galaxy S25 series. While the Galaxy S25 has been subject to numerous leaks in the past, many of those renders were inconsistent or inaccurate. The newly surfaced renders, reportedly from Samsung itself, show the devices in silicone cases. As anticipated, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has moved away from its boxy design, but its corners are not as curved as the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. The Ultra model also features flat sides, which enhance the appearance of its slim bezels. This design change addresses the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rounded frame, which sometimes made the bezels seem thicker. Another significant design update confirmed by these images is the addition of black rings around the cameras, resembling the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The leaked images also reveal Samsung's new official wallpaper for the Galaxy S25 series. Additionally, they show an official Q2 case with a magnetic alignment ring. Contrary to earlier rumors, the phones will not have built-in Q2 charging support. Instead, this feature will be enabled through cases. Lastly, the icy blue color for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appears to be lighter than previously suggested by earlier leaks. But that's not all. Samsung is already offering some exciting incentives for those who reserve one of the new Galaxy S25 devices. Among these is an incredible opportunity to win a $5,000 gift card that can be redeemed for any product available on Samsung's official online store. Here's the best part: reserving a Galaxy S25 costs absolutely nothing. All you need to do is register your email on Samsung's online store. By doing so, you'll lock in a $50 credit to use when pre-orders open after the event. Additionally, Samsung is providing customers with up to $900 in trade-in credits to make upgrading more affordable. And that's not all. There's an extra $300 instant credit available, which could bring the total savings up to an impressive $1,250. For many, this means upgrading to the latest Galaxy device might cost just a fraction of its original price. One of the most exciting offers this time around is the chance to win a $5,000 gift card. This is something Samsung hasn't done before, and it's creating a buzz among fans. The gift card can be used for anything on Samsung's online store, whether it's more gadgets, accessories, or even appliances. By simply reserving the Galaxy S25, you'll automatically secure the $50 credit, enhanced trade-in value, and additional discounts. Plus, you'll get a shot at the $5,000 giveaway. Once the phones are officially launched, you can decide whether or not to proceed with the purchase. This is a fantastic opportunity to not only save big on Samsung's upcoming flagship, but also potentially win a grand prize. If you've been thinking about upgrading your smartphone, now's the time to take advantage of these offers. Who knows, you might just be the lucky winner of that massive gift card. Reservation link is in the description box. Reserve now. Samsung has dropped the official Unpacked teasers for the Galaxy S25 series. Let's check out the teasers first.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Samsung has confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025 in San Jose, California. At this event, the company will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The lineup will include at least 3 devices: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's also talk of a 4th model, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which might launch a few months later. Samsung also teased the next evolution of Galaxy AI, calling it more natural and intuitive, promising to change how Galaxy users interact with the world. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.